All right, so we are going to have a little chat about the art of flowing masterfully. So I'm Jen, and this is something that's actually really important to me. So just know that in order to become a master at something, we need to practice it. So I have witnessed a lot of students, including myself, starting a flow practice and kind of getting a little bit frustrated because it's like we're not getting this flow very quickly, or it takes a little bit of time, because Vinyasa flow is definitely something that takes a lot of attention, both from the mind and the body. So when we begin to master this art of flowing masterfully, then we're able more so to connect with just what's happening through the transition that is being created through this practice. We need to think less about alignment or less about exactly how we're holding our body, because we've had a lot of practice to just begin to flow. And what becomes really beautiful is that it begins to turn into a bit of a meditation. So instead of something where we have to really focus on exactly how our body is and if we're doing the practice properly or in the way that's going to most benefit us, as we practice more and more, it begins to turn into something that just feels super natural and really delicious for the body, just because we are mastering it through daily practice or through every other day practice. So the more that you practice flow, the more you're going to be able to feel like it's a meditation. And a way that you know that you're starting to master it is simply by recognizing that you actually know yourself better when you step off the mat compared to when you got on it. So I hope that you get to join me in the One Yoga Online Studio for my series on Power Vinyasa for toning and flexibility. It's going to be super awesome, and I'm so excited to see you there.